Yeah, I'm gonna need those reports on my... Oh, hey, this is my song!
I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Hello, my name is Malcolm Green, and I suffer from ASIRIS, which is Sudden Ratchet Syndrome, and it's a challenge because people are not aware of this disease, and it's kind of tough because I wake up knowing that every day is going to be another challenge for me. I don't even eat the same as other people. I microwave hot dogs. I apply for food stamps. I put everything in my mother's name. And I can't even listen to music that I want to listen to because I'm always influenced by some other stuff, you know.
Lean with it, wow, yeah. Lean with it, wow.
Don't get me wrong. My other friends, my not so professional friends, they love it. You know, they love it.
Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana. I got money, I got.
It's tough for me. I find myself, having tough times with relationships also. I constantly want to call my wife a bitch for no reason. I'm trying to keep it under control right now.
Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana, Hannah Montana.
What happened, young ass nigga? Shit, I ain't doing shit but kicking shit with these white folk, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, they paying me out now about 2 stacks for the goddamn low nigga shit. The Malcolm side wants to say, that is real. The government just doesn't want people to know about it, They just like to hide it, Illuminati. But, that's something that the world needs to be aware of so that we can handle this properly and get rid of this disease. That's what I want to say. But the ratchet inside of me wants to just constantly yell out "Free Boosie" over and over